How to make boomerang in Snapchat. Hey everybody, in today's video, let us show you how to make a boomerang on Snapchat within just a few seconds. So if you're wondering on how to do that, you can follow up the steps and you should also be able to make a boomerang on Snapchat. First of all, open up Snapchat and open up the camera of Snapchat. You can head over to the camera screen or by default you'll be led there. So make sure your camera is ready for the action. And then next what you can do is simply head over and record a short video. So just go ahead and long press on this record button and it will record a video. Just go ahead and do that. And then once the video is recorded, what you can do is look for this loop option in the bottom in this right side of the corner. You can find different options. So you're going to look up for this option. So you can see this play once feature, but we're going to go ahead and tap on it and make this loop so that whenever you send that snap and other people open that snap, it will automatically be like a boomerang. It will be in something boomerang mode that will just keep on playing. And that is it. Now you know how to make a boomerang on Snapchat. So if this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have got any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you.